Which wood carves like butter? Today we are testing 6 insane woods to find out, and trust, you won't believe number 4. Carving wood is never the same twice. Some woods fight you, others just melt under the blade. Today, we're putting them to the test. Which one's smooth, which one's brutal, and which one's an unexpected hero. First up, the classic beginner's choice, basswood. And yeah, it's exactly what you'd expect. Smooth, forgiving, like carving cheese. This one sets the standard. Next, sherry. The name sounds gentle, right? But be prepared, it's a bit denser than you'd expect. The grain loves to switch directions and your knife has to stay razor sharp. Still, that color and polish? Whoa, totally worth every effort. Oh, alder. Alder is one of those underrated woods, but it carves really well, medium soft, smooth grain, and just enough resistance to feel controlled. If basswood had a chill cousin, this would be it. Number 4. Black locust, also known as false acacia. I thought this would be a nightmare. It's one of the hardest woods I've ever tried. But look at these cuts. Clean, crisp, and super consistent. It's not soft, but it carves smooth like butter made of steel. Unreal. Walnut is gorgeous, but that beauty has a price. It'll test your patience. Dense grain, a bit grabby under the knife, but when you see that finish, totally worth it for the look though. So here we have elm, unpredictable but fun. The interlocked grain gives you smooth spots 1 second and pure resistance the next. You'll fight it sometimes, but gosh, it smells good and finishes beautifully. So after testing 6 woods, here's our verdict. Basswood, the smooth classic. Cherry, pure punishment. Alder, a trap. Walnut, beautiful but tough elm, a faint woody scent. And number 4, the surprise champ. So which wood carves like butter? Now you know. It's basswood. But what about you? Drop a comment. What's the easiest or hardest wood you've ever carved? Let's see if your list matches ours. If you had fun watching this tryout wood test, hit like, subscribe for more carving challenges, and check our other videos for tips, tricks, and challenges. Until next time, keep carving.